Ready to level up your Roblox adventures? Let's dive into exactly how to redeem a Roblox gift card to get your Robux or premium subscription. First things first, you'll need your Roblox gift card. If it's a physical card, carefully scratch off the silver strip on the back to reveal your unique PIN code. Keep this code safe and don't share it. Now, head over to the official Roblox website. You can do this by typing Roblox.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, look for gift cards in the top navigation bar and click on it. On the gift cards page, you'll see an option to redeem Roblox card. Click on this button to proceed. This will take you to the redemption portal. Here, you'll find a field labeled PIN. Type in the full gift card PIN that you revealed earlier exactly as it appears, paying close attention to any uppercase letters or numbers. Once you've entered your PIN correctly, click the redeem button. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. If you're not, you'll be prompted to log in or create one. After clicking redeem, Roblox will verify your gift card. If it's valid, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your Robux or premium subscription has been successfully added to your account. You've done it. Your Robux balance will now be updated, ready for you to spend on cool items, game passes, or anything else that enhances your Roblox experience. Enjoy.